Hey guys, do you have a problem with dandruff, dry scalp, itchy scalp? Well, this video is going to show you a solution that is going to help you rid or even diminish this problem. Ready to see what it is? Keep watching. So to start, we're going to be using our Soothe Minty Scalp Serum. This serum is created for those of you who have buildup on the scalp. Maybe you have a little bit of dermatitis, dry scalp, itchy scalp. This is a solution that you are able to use before or even after the shampoo process, or even as a spot treater for your itchy scalp issues. Now, if you notice her hair is dry, I am applying the Scalp Serum directly to the scalp, not the hair. And the hair has not been washed yet. So we are using this as a pre-treatment. Once I apply it, I go through and just massage it throughout the scalp. Now you have two options. You are also able to use a comb and lightly lift up the dandruff or dry scalp off of the scalp if ever needed. So it's not something where you just have to use your fingers, but I just wanted you guys to see that you are able to use it in multiple ways and not just by massaging it onto the scalp. This serum is a one size fits all, and it is catered to each and every person. There is no actual situation that you cannot use this for. Okay, so now we're going to start with the shampoo process. If you guys notice, I have not wet her hair. I am applying clarifying shampoo to her actual hair while it is dry. The reason that I'm doing this is because I want to extract the extra oils or the excess oils from the scalp before I actually start the shampoo process. If you start by rinsing the hair with water first, you're going to lock the oil in, and that will in turn make the hair heavy at the end of the shampoo process. So whenever the hair is very oily or has a lot of oily type buildup, dry shampoo it first with an actual clarifying shampoo on the hair when it's dry. I then followed by rinsing her hair with cool water, which was very important, and then starting the actual shampoo process. So for the first shampoo, I am using our Herbal Detox shampoo. This is an activated charcoal shampoo that also works as a mild cleanser, but does not actually remove all of the natural oils from the hair. It keeps the hair nice and light, but at the same time clean. And at the same time, it doesn't dry the hair out too much, which is what typical detoxing or cleansing shampoos do. So at this point of the shampoo process, I am using warm water to rinse the shampoos out. The only time I use the cold water is when I was doing a dry shampoo. Now we're going to start into our Minty collection, where this is our Soothe Minty Shampoo. This shampoo is a very mild but powerful shampoo. It leaves a nice cool sensation on the scalp. It does slightly tingle, but nothing that is unbearable. That was what you saw me asking my client, and she was telling me that it was just a very subtle mint or subtle tingle, and she actually enjoyed it. And then I'm also using warm water to rinse this shampoo from her hair. Now, the Minty Shampoo and Minty Conditioner is amazing for those of you that have trouble issues with your scalp, such as dry, itchy scalp, dandruff, dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, whatever the case may be. This does not substitute for your medicated shampoos. So if you are prescribed a medicated shampoo, you would use the medicated shampoo first, and then you can follow behind with your Minty Shampoo and Minty Conditioner if needed. Now, this client is actually not going to be getting a standard shampoo today, a standard conditioner, I mean. She will actually be getting a protein treatment using our Elite Super Reconstruction protein system, which is our 2-part protein system. So to start, I'm going to put the protein solution on the hair after the hair has been squeezed out. So you don't want to actually leave excess water in the hair. You want to squeeze out as much as you possibly can before you apply your protein. If not, you're basically going to be wasting your protein down the sink. So you want to towel dry or at least squeeze out the excess water and then apply the protein to the hair, at which she went under the dryer for about 20 minutes without a processing cap. And now she's back at the shampoo bowl for the rinse cycle. When you are rinsing a protein, rinse, 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 rinse. I cannot stress this enough. Protein is something that sticks to the hair. You assume that it is rinsed out, and it is not. You do want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse this product out of the hair with any protein treatment, and that you are using warm water. I'm going to be honest, it's something that you can't really see to the naked eye. You can feel it on the hair, and you can feel that it has not been rinsed properly if you need to do it again. Now, the good thing about the Elite Super Reconstruction treatment is that it comes with its own replenishing conditioner. This is going to rehydrate the hair, because that's very important when it comes down to a protein treatment, that you rehydrate the hair after the fact. Okay, rehydration is going to leave that hair nice and soft, and it doesn't give you that hard and brittle feel that the protein treatment will give. So if you are not rehydrating with a actual conditioner or any sort of replenisher, then you definitely need to make sure you add that step. The good thing, as I said, with the Elite Reconstruction system, it comes with both parts, the protein and the replenisher. Now, I put a processing cap on her. She sat with it for 5 minutes, and then we went back to the bowl, and this is where we were able to rinse her with cool water once again. Okay, if you were not able to detangle when you first put the replenisher on, you can detangle after you've sat with it for the 5 minutes with the processing cap. Now, cool water is very, very important with your conditioning processes. I know it's very uncomfortable, but it is something that gives you a lot more benefit than it will hurt. This helps to keep the hair from tangling. It also acts as a locker or a lock. It's going to lock in that luster, lock in that shine, and lock in that moisture or treatment that you were trying to do with your hair, and it's going to seal or close the cuticle. Okay guys, so before I get into the release date for the Minty collection, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram by going to Elite Hair Care USA on IG. Now, the question of the day is, when will the Minty collection be available? This collection releases on September the 11th. Yes, I know that's a crazy day. Please don't ask me why we released it that day. It's just the day we chose. Yep. So it will release on September the 11th. You will be able to get it in a bundle kit, which will be all 3 pieces: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the scalp oil. Or you can get them individually, which is your choice. We are bringing bundle kits back, so the bundle kits will be available as of September 4th, but the Minty collection bundle kit will not be available until September the 11th. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.